Good afternoon and welcome to New York Crypto Talk. Quick video just to talk about the SEC and Ethereum as a security. So if you guys are not familiar, there's been a lot of things going around on the internet, a lot of things going on around Twitter, Reddit, all the different websites about the SEC having a meeting with the CFTC today in regards to marking whether or not Ethereum is a security or not. It is seemingly more and more like the SEC is not meeting today about that. And just looking at a lot of the news, everybody is now reporting that the SEC has nothing in their upcoming events about any conferences or any meetings in regards to this. Neither does the actual CFTC. So we're seeing a lot of information that might be miscommunicated, potentially just FUD out there, causing market instability. Who knows? This could all just be hearsay. There could actually be discussions being made right now. Personally, I think that we can all rely on the information that's already been said by the SEC chairman as far as Ethereum not being marked as a security. If Ethereum was marked as a security, we would obviously be in a bit of an issue when it comes to the blockchain space and what things might happen in the future. So I personally believe that, we can already look back to what was said back in November by the SEC, that basically there are two types of crypto assets and they were going to divide them into two different areas. One is a pure medium of exchange, and that's most often cited as Bitcoin, which is a replacement for currency, and that the other one is tokens, which are used to finance projects. And I've been on the record saying that there are very few, none that I've seen, tokens that are securities. So hopefully this still stands true and that Ethereum is not a security, but obviously things are always subject to change. But as of right now, I just wanted to give everybody an update that doesn't seem that the SEC is making any ruling on this matter. Even if they did, nothing would be conclusive. As of today, the rumors were that it was just talks about it, but it seems that there's nothing going on. So hopefully we'll live another day and the Ethereum market will go up and push through. We did see a nice rise this past weekend, and I hope things will just keep rising as it goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully there will be more information about this to come in the next couple of days. Hopefully I'll be able to update you guys on Friday, but I just wanted to do a mid-Monday update on the SEC information. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification for more information, and please leave me a comment below what you think about Ethereum as a token or security. What are your thoughts? I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks again for tuning in.